let me show you how we can add some kind of watermark or logo on the picture using Luminar Neo. First, you need to click Add Photo and load your image into the catalog. Then simply double tap on it to get this preview. Now we want to go into editing mode, so click Edit here at the top. Alright, we are in the editing mode. This time we don't want to modify any of those adjustments, but we want to go to the left to layers. If you click the plus button, you will have some presets, but you got also this load image at the top. So let me load my watermark. I simply select this PNG image. It's shown with the white backdrop, but actually if I click on it, it will jump on the screen without that backdrop, so that's great. I can scale it down. Usually we want watermark to be relatively small, and then we can still control opacity of it on the right side in the layer properties. So I can move this slider to control the opacity. If you need to flip it somehow, you can do it. You can have an image map into fit, fill of stretch. I want to fit so I don't have my proportion distorted. Alright, and less opacity, and that's it. That's my watermark. So you will need to prepare some kind of signature logo text without the backdrop, so you must save it as PNG, and then you can put it here in Luminar Neo. You can of course make a copy of this layer, so you can just right click on the layer with this logo, duplicate layer. You can place the copy of the watermark in another part of the image. And that's how easy it is to add additional layer with your logo above the image and reduce opacity to make a watermark. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. I will see you in the next one.